So I think statement we have made long time back. I think last 6-7 months, me and Hamlet, we went and met the Chief Minister also, and we said that right now, till now, we don't want September. We don't want, 18 September. 18 September, we met the Chief Minister also for not to introduce good train in our state.
But what is the reason? I mean, why should the government not bring goods train or even the passengers train in the state?
No, see, I'll tell you. As of now, we are not ready for good train or passenger train in the state of Meghalaya, unless and until we have the proper mechanism to check influx into the state of Meghalaya. As of now, ILP also is still pending. Issue still remaining with the government of India. So unless and until we have a strong mechanism to protect dangerous people in the state of Meghalaya, we are not allowed either goods train or passenger train.
We are taking a cue from the ILP issue.
Yes. No, see, from time to time, whenever we have a chance to meet Chief Minister, we always apprise him about this issue. It's high time to apprise the union government. Please tell the union government, please say something about ILP. Whether ILP will be granted or will be rejected. That we want from government of India. But we are so sorry the attitude and the stubbornness of the government of India. As of now, we don't know anything whether ILP will be granted or rejected.
The border issue.
See, border issue, we are glad that this government has taken it in a very positive way about the border issue. We are expected out of the 12 areas of differences, 6 areas we hope it will go through. But we hopefully the government of India, because the report has reached the Home Ministry, that Home Ministry will recommend the report submitted by the government of Meghalaya and government of Asa.
Coming back to ILP.
He kawai ka long kumni kai. Nadu basdang pila inge don ka nutli ka party ki ba pelong ya kani ka MDA government. But ngiso komen ngai ka banang ya ka por nang bon sidang bon ki bawan ban penyeso ber ka MDA. But pini ba ka jingjob ba ka jing tri sitom amtam na kalian chunga bi ba Hamlet kung minister nilai persyang ban ai jumut banyak keren ba ka sarkar po jingalam jong Chief Minister bomenta ki bubun ki kam bubun ki issue. Timur ki wei ki kring ki ibang ngai banwan ban ya don lang ber ka MDA. Kalau ngejeng mentoy nang benda ke MDA nang perklan nang pen kanang ginang bon ginang bang ang ipi pag kani kan ne asna na do pakut sense na kata ngingim don dai abawan punya sok muno tu kadai ngejeng mentoy nang benda ka ka alain sujongi MDA government ke jungi
Kamu kamdan gano ka jingta. Abai de bat ka jingade jong kini ki coalition partners.
Nakaliang jungi ngim don ni manong namar beli wifi stang sistem ke election kelawat. Kejingan punya sok kemudian temut kejing mentoy ya ka MDA.
Anda ingin ipat ke BJP.